Even though India and China are continuing to disengage their forces from eastern Ladakh regions, it would be good to see a quick comparison between the Chinese attack helicopter and the Indian attack helicopter capabilities. These were the choppers which were deployed in these border areas during the standoff. In the world of modern warfare, the attack helicopters play a major role, and the same can have two main roles. The first role which an attack helicopter plays is the support role. This is to provide direct and accurate close air support for the ground troops. The second major role which it plays is the anti-tank role, and this is to destroy the enemy tanks and other armor concentrations. The attack helicopters which we are going to talk about in this particular video is the China's indigenous CAIC Z-10 and India's Boeing Apache AH-64E. So let us do a quick comparison between these two attack choppers which are very vital for both the defense forces. Let's begin with the manufacturer details. The AH-64 Apache is manufactured by Boeing, and India inducted the same from United States. The Apache AH-64E is a twin turboshaft attack helicopter with a tailwheel type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2 members. Coming to the CAIC Z-10, the Z-10, which is also called as WZ-10, is a Chinese medium attack helicopter developed for the People's Liberation Army Ground Forces. And this chopper has been indigenously manufactured by Chang'e Aircraft Industries Corporation. So that was the manufacturer details. Now coming to the engines which power these two choppers are: the Chinese Z-10 are powered by two WZ-10 turboshaft engines of 1300 horsepower each. Coming to the Boeing Apache of India, it is powered by two General Electric T700-GE-701 turboshaft engines with 1690 shp each. Few upgrades has been done to make it 1890 shp powerful, which is known as the T700-GE-701C, and this is used for powering the AH-64A and D variants. Compared to the Chinese Z-10, the Boeing Apache AH-64E has superior engines and more powerful ones. Coming to the performance like speed and range, if you see on the screen we can get the required details. The Chinese Z-10 has a range of 800 kilometers as compared to 476 kilometers of Apache helicopter. The Apache, however, beats the Z-10 when it comes to top speed. The AH-64E has a top speed of 365 km per hour, while the Z-10 has a top speed of 300 km per hour. The maximum takeoff weight of Apache is 10,433 kilograms and Z-10 is 7,000 kilograms. Both the attack helicopters are flown by a crew of 2 personnel, pilot and a co-pilot or a gunner. Now coming to the dimension, the length of Apache AH-64E is 17.73 meters, whereas the Z-10 is of 14.15 meters. The rotor diameter of Apache is 14.63 meters and Z-10's is of 12 meters. The height of Apache is 3.87 meters and Z-10 is slightly smaller at 3.85 meters. Now coming to the attack capabilities, the AH-64E boasts of weapons like Hellfire missiles, 70 mm rockets, 30 mm automatic cannon. Not only this, it has advanced radar and targeting systems which are capable of prioritizing over 250 contacts. The Apache also has a capability of linking with drones. Coming to Z-10, it can climb up to 20,000 feet and carry anti-tank missiles, and it also carries a TY-90 air-to-air missiles and a 30 mm cannon guns. Both Apache AH-64E and CAIC Z-10 have strengths and weaknesses. The Z-10 is a smaller helicopter and therefore trumps the AH-64E in terms of agility, speed, range and maneuverability. whereas the Apache beats the Z10 when it comes to top speed, performance, and powerful engine. So that was a quick comparison between the Chinese Z10 and the Indian Air Force or Indian Army's Apache AH-64E of Boeing. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.